Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at installing PostgreSQL. First, you have to go online, go to your browser, type in download PostgreSQL. Here, you're going to click on the first link that is shown in the search results. This belongs to the link of the postgresql.org. That is the main website where we can get a real authentic download for the installer. So on the page that is loaded, when you click that link, you're going to look for the operating system that is relevant to you. So for me, I have a Windows operating system. So I'll click on this link. So we're going to go to a new page where I'll have the first link here. That is the download the installer certified by EDB for all supported PostgreSQL versions. You click on this link, then we'll get to a page that's going to be outside of PostgreSQL. That is for the EDB, Enterprise DB website. On this page, we'll have the option to choose the version that we want to download. So here, we'll go with the latest version. So that is going to be 16.4. What you have to do now is click on this link under your operating system. For me, I have Windows operating system again, then I'm going to click this link. So if you click on this link, it's going to start the download, but I'm not going to click it because I already have that downloaded. So I don't want to repeat that process. So I'll take you to my download folder. This is the file that you're going to see. This is the installer. When you have this downloaded properly onto your local system, just double click. Now we should see a pop-up that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click on yes. And we're going to have a new window that is going to be open to us. So this is the window. All we need to do is just follow the steps. So we'll click on next. Leave the default information that is in this box, that is the installation directory. Just let it be the way it is. Then you click on next. Leave the options that have been selected here just the way it is. It's so simple. We'll still click on next at this point. Now is your time to make your own decision what you want your password to be. So just put in any password that you want. So I'm going to just make sure you remember the password that you put in there. Okay, so I'll click next. The port number should still remain the same thing. So next, we'll leave the default local that we have here. Then we'll click on next again. So at this point, setup is now ready to begin installing PostgreSQL on your computer. So we'll click next. Now wait for the installation to complete. This might take some time depending on your internet provider speed. We're almost there. Last, now we're done with the installation. We'll click on finish. The next window that you're going to see here is not compulsory and we don't need it for this course. So as a beginner, I would advise that you cancel this step and click on cancel. Just click on yes. So I'll type in the search bar here, PG admin. So you're going to select PG admin 4. select that option, and it's going to open up our PostgreSQL. Now, this is our Postgre administrative window. That's what we'll use for creating our database that we're going to create in the next video. So see you in the next video.